push it and it comes out. So that's how it looks. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be installing these quick latches. Now these specific quick latches are hidden, so you won't see it through the bumper. I'll show you guys what my bumper looks like, and it's really bad. Most of you guys know for the 8th gen, these bumper tabs break really easy. What the hell is even that? And so you're left with this hideousness right here. I didn't want to sacrifice this look on the side for, you know, some quick latches. We're gonna get that done today. Waiting for one of my friends to help me out. He has all the tools and the drills, so we're gonna head over there. I do have to run a couple errands, grab something to eat because I'm starving, but I will pick up the video as soon as I'm done and we're at his house. And I think one of my homies is doing his axle too. Also, a quick update. My side skirts and my front lip are currently being painted by one of my homie's friends. So he's actually doing that right now as we speak. But yeah, let's get into today's video. So we at my homie Danny's house. We're working on Martin's new daily. Cutting stuff up. Damn. New headlights.
Cut like that, and just drill holes in the top down.
I would just keep an eye on it though, like
Boy, if you don't get...
Alright guys, so for this portion of the video, I will be doing a voiceover and trying to explain it properly. The audio kind of cut out with the heat and my camera really doesn't match well, so forgive me for that. But anyways, first things first, you want to take off your front bumper so you can remove the cooling plate. I think there's a couple clips if you have like a USDM bumper. I had already taken mine off. And there's 2 screws on each side, so remove those 2 screws. And to even secure my bumper, I used a valve stem cap and a screw to hold the sides of the bumpers, which actually works really well. But yeah, I was kind of like having a hard time taking it out. But
That's what she said.
hey, at least you know it works and it holds the bumper. And I like how everybody's just standing around, not helping or anything.
Help me! Help me!
And it just, I'm just kidding. Nah, they're chilling. It was hot. It was like 106 right here. So, but yeah, you take the front bumper off, and then what you want to do now is you're gonna jack up the vehicle, so that way you can get a better view of the headlight brackets, because we're gonna be mounting these brackets on the headlight bracket. So, jack up the car so that way you can kind of get some room under the fender. And then now I'm gonna show you a picture of where you're gonna screw in that actual bracket. See that hole right there? That's where you're gonna attach that bracket, not the L bracket, but the angled one. And you're gonna just lightly secure it. You're not gonna tighten it all the way. And you're gonna kind of, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put the quick latch inside of that bracket, obviously facing towards the inside of the car. And then the L bracket that secures onto the actual bumper, you're gonna put the post through there with the 2 nuts and the washers, and then you're gonna basically just kind of play around and kind of just feel where you're gonna, where you're gonna mount the actual bracket on the bumper. Once you have everything dialed in, then you can tighten it. And I would even recommend putting like Loctite on it, so that way it doesn't like shift or, you know, move around or get loose or whatever. So that way you don't lose it. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy. And yeah, I'll probably just show you a video. All right, guys, so I wanted to show you real quick how they look on the car. You can't really see it from here, but I'll go ahead and unclip it for you so you guys can see. So pretty much reach in here, push it and it comes out. So that's how it looks. And you pretty much just pushing it back in. And I still have to play around with the fitment, but I mean, honestly, way better. It's the other side, essentially the same thing, so. All right, guys, well, thank you for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate all you guys' support, all the love, all the comments. If you guys like this video today, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out a lot. You guys are killing it with the support. Yeah, I'm trying to hit 3,000 subscribers probably by the end of next month. I got a lot more videos coming. Like I said, my front lip, my side skirts, everything is being painted right now. So I will be picking that up and installing that probably later on this weekend. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything about the quick latch, about the whole process, where to get it, you can hit me up on Instagram at Vicwavy, or you can hit me up here in the comments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.
You are watching a master at work.